Hey everyone, welcome back. After sharing WunderType on Reddit, I got a lot of great suggestions, so thank you for that. I put a bunch of them on a list and wanted to knock out the smallest ones first, so I want to share the new version, 1.6.1. It adds 2 small features, plus some dependency updates. The first one of the suggestions was about people using Ollama through a proxy, instead of the default server URL that Ollama gives you, which is localhost 111.434. So as you can see on the Settings tab, there's now a server URL field, and I also added a status tab. Let's test it out. I'll change the server URL to something like 9999, and after a second or so, the status tells us it isn't reachable. Now let's try running Ollama on this endpoint by running this command in terminal. Now Ollama should serve on this server endpoint as well. I'll turn back to the settings and change it to localhost 11500. You'll see the status change to connected, and on the terminal tab, I can see the connection is working too. Cool, that's the first change. The second suggestion was, how about setting different shortcuts for different modes, instead of changing them every time? So here it is. On the General tab, you'll now see the mode shortcuts. Let's give them each one. Improve writing, I'll go with Shift-Command-I, make it concise, Shift-Command-Q, and so on and so forth. Let's test each mode with their new bindings on the same piece of text I have in TextEdit. As you can see, they're all acting correctly, each one following its prompt exactly as it should. And one question comes to mind. What if I change the mode from correct grammar to improve writing or any of the other modes? What happens then? As soon as I switch it over to, say, improve writing, the correct grammar shortcut pops out into the mode shortcuts, and improve writing takes the global shortcut. I'll also remove the binding from improve writing we set earlier to avoid any duplication. So when I change the mode back to correct grammar, improve writing has no binding anymore, and you'd just set it up again. That's it for this update. Let me know your suggestions and any feedback. Join our Discord group, and I'll see you on the next one.